on YouTube as well as on Instagram. And today I'm here to share with you my review of McCall's 7912. And this is the pattern right here. And for this pattern, I ended up sewing view B. I started off trying to sew the length of view B with the sleeves of A. However, here's a picture of me wearing it, how I made it at first. I had added sleeves, but this denim that I picked, this is a white denim fabric and it has zero stretch. And I picked this up at Savers I believe like a year or so ago. And it's just been in my stash. And I decided, you know, I'll make a denim jacket and I could wear it with everything all through the summer. So I put the sleeves on. Once I put the sleeves on, it looked like a hospital jacket. So I said, no, this is just totally not working for me. So I decided to cut off the sleeves. And I said, once I took off the sleeves, I said, it still needs something else. So I decided to add this trim to the bottom. This cute little fringe trim that I picked up from Joann's. And I love how it shimmies when you move. And here is a little twirl of me wearing it out on the deck. Today is a beautiful day, so I decided to go out on the deck and do the twirl. Here are some pictures as well, some still pictures. I finished this like the first or second day of March, and which even though it was the February challenge, I had started in February, but I didn't finish it till like the first or second day of March. And it snowed that day, so I couldn't take pictures outside. So I took pictures in the doorway in front of the deck instead. So because it was snowing outside, and I didn't want to get all the snow all on my glasses and all on the camera lens. So I just decided to do the twirl today since it's such a beautiful day. So spring is sprung, although they're calling for the temperatures to drop a little bit later in the week, next week. But I don't think we're going to get any more snow this year. So that is my make for the McCall 7912, which was the Sew Your View Challenge for February 2019. So up next, what I'm sewing right now is McCall 7906. And this is the next makeup in the challenge for the Sew Your View Challenge. And I am working on view B. And let me show you how far I've gotten so far. One second. Okay, so right now I'm working on this skirt in this beautiful floral print that I picked up from a fabric place here in Baltimore. And it's a beautiful, the flowers are orange and a purple, a grayish purple, and a kind of more a pinkish floral. So I'm really excited about this. So far I've put all the, sewn the fronts to the back and put all the pleats in. So next I have to sew down the waistband, and it's an inside waistband right here. So I have to just slip stitch that down, add the buttons, and hem it up. So I'm almost done, and I've done the belt, and I also have to add the belt loops as well. So I'm almost done with that one, so I'm excited about sewing that one up for the March Sew Your View Challenge. And I did see a little blurb up on Instagram that said that the April challenge was going to be the Erin dress by Style Sew Me Pattern. So I'm so excited about that. I did order it as soon as I'm on her email list, so I got a little discount for being on her email list when it first launched. So, and I think if you haven't signed up for her email account, you can and get 15% off if you're new to her account. So, and I'll leave a picture of the Erin dress right here. And so I'm looking forward to that one in April. So I'm hoping I'm right about that. That's the right challenge. But either way, I'm going to make that dress. So I just wanted to share with you my makes and plans for the Sew Your View challenge coming up. And I'm still trying to decide on what top I want to make to go with the skirt. If I want to do a tank top like the girl has in the picture, or if I want to do something else. I haven't decided what I want to do, or if I can wear it with something I already have. And I could, because there's so many different colors. There's white, there's pink, there's orange. So I do have a white top that will match already. So if I don't have time, I'll just wear that. But if I don't, then if I do have time, I'll just make something. So I'm trying to decide on which pattern to make. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. Hi YouTube. I'm Crystal. Charles.
Go ahead.